Hello, YouTube family. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on any of our videos. And let's get into it. For today's video, we're going to review how to increase your Poshmark sales. And to do that, we're going to go over how you can host your own personal closet sale. We're going to start with the Instagram app. You want to tap that to open it and then slide left to right to go to your story section. Now, the first thing you need to do is figure out what you want in regards to price range and what exactly is going to go on sale. For us right now, we're running a 4 for $25 sale, and that includes all items $15 or less. We like to use Instagram because you can edit the text, you can add pictures, stickers, and it just gets really fun. So we'll click next, and that's really nice. We'll center that, decide where you want the placement to go. And if you slide left to right, you can edit your filters. I think that looks really cute. So then in the upper header area, it's like a square face with a smiley face. In the search bar, you can put in anything you want to add on there. I want to put a colorful squiggly line just to kind of like separate that information, like so, if I can get it to center, like so. And then I also want to put our closet name. So Poshmark closet, yikes, Peachy World. And sometimes I'll add the peach emoji and whatnot. So let's see. You all can see my latest emojis that I've been using. So you just type in which emojis you want to use and they'll pop up. And then boom, it's done. Just like that. You're going to have to move some things around. Okay. Actually, I think we'll put the squiggly in between our closet name. Yes, that's what we'll do. And boom. So this is going to be our main photo for the sale. That's what we're working on right now. I'm also going to type in the search bar Poshmark. I don't know if you all know, but Poshmark has a lot of stickers here on Instagram. This is one of my favorite Poshmark stickers. So we'll put that up there. And don't forget to put sale there. There we go. So there's the Poshmark sticker, there's the 4 for $25 sale, there's our squiggly line, and the Poshmark closet Peachy World. We're going to make that text a little bigger, and boom, we're done. So there are two things you can do. You can either screenshot this, and that'll save it as a photo. As you can see, I'm going to crop out all the extra stuff, hit save, and you can also hit that download button at the top. That'll save it as a video. So we're going to do it both ways. We'll download it, but we also are going to screenshot it. So now we can hit back. It'll ask you if you want to discard. You'll say yes, and we can minimize Instagram and go to Poshmark. So now this is our home page. You see everyone's, sharing items and whatnot. We're going to, that's actually one of ours. Our VA is sharing for us. Thank you, Sarah. Anyways, we're going to hit that sell button. Let's move the recording button out the way. Hit that sell button in the center there. You're going to hit the graphics button. And then you're going to hit screenshots. And boom. There's our sale. So it cut off a little bit. So we're going to do that, hit next, and that becomes your main photo for your sale. So when you type out what are you selling, you can say 4 for $25 sale. Sale. All items $15 or less. So you can select that, copy, and description you can paste. And I always just put a note. I say this is only a sale notification. Typing a little too fast. Only a sale notification. This post is not for sale. Just so no one goes off and tries to buy it or anything weird happens. And I do different categories when I'm having sales. So I'll do several of these. I'll do maybe one for shoes, one for jackets, men and women. And I'll also do the same for sizes. You want to click on quantity, multiple, and then sizes and availability. I'll do 8 as a one quantity, 7 as a one quantity, 9 as a one quantity, 10 as a one quantity. Basically just reaching out to everyone who might be filtering by that type of stuff. And I also do filter it by new with tags, since that is a popular filter. And here for the original price, I always put 0, and for the listing price, for this one I'm going to do 25, because you can get into 2 different categories when you filter by price, when it's the 1 to or the 0 to 25 category, as well as the 25 to 50 category. And so then we hit next and we hit list. And now we're going to click our profile button down here in the bottom right hand corner. Then we click my closet, and you see my sale post is there. So 4 for $25 sale includes all items $15 or less. Poshmark Closet, Peachy World. If we click it, the same information is there. So that is how you can increase your sales. It's one of the ways to increase your sales. People might see that in their feed. Again, it's really important that you add it for different categories, like for everything that's applicable. Like I have shoes that are in my closet that are applicable, so it's okay to post this. So shirts, sweaters, shorts, even if you have like home decor that would be applicable, make sure you're updating that category so multiple people can see that these items are for sale and are part of the sale. Thank you so much again for visiting our page. Hopefully this was a fun little video. I didn't do a screen share from the computer this time. This time I did it from my phone. So hopefully you enjoyed it and understood it. It's a little quick, but short and to the point. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye, you guys.